Cutting edge technology, face melting acceleration. There's a lot of reasons to like a Tesla, but I got a special one for you today. So a real quick one, but I want to talk a minute about why an EV, Tesla, etc. is basically the ultimate parent car, mom and dad car. Saturday afternoon, we're at a soccer tournament. Got a game at 10, another game at 4. What are you going to do in between? So what doesn't matter what your kid's in. It's the ultimate sports ball mom, the sports ball dad car. Dance, violin, underwater basket weaving, whatever it might be. You got a lot of time to kill and you're sitting in your car. Tesla and EV, it absolutely just kills it. There's a reason people camp in these things, right? You got to sit in a car for an hour. You want to be comfortable. Run your HVAC, play some Netflix, play a video game. All the different options, all the entertainment stuff. It's exceptional. Run the air conditioning on a hot day. Cold day today, 40 degrees. Earlier it was kind of overcast and a bit rainy. No problem. And you're not burning fossil fuel, not directly anyway. You're not polluting. You're not going to die of carbon monoxide sitting in the car. But you can sit in here comfortably. To me, it's like a mobile command center. And for this, it's awesome. Hour-long practice, and it's not enough time to go run an errand and not enough time to drop your kid off and go home and come back. No problem. You can kill an hour in a Tesla like nothing. Pretty sweet. And one of the reasons I was kind of excited to get this car, because we do a lot of this stuff, and it really makes the experience so much better. Child number 1, how do you feel about the Tesla Mobile Command Center in between the soccer games?
I really like it because, like you said, it's really fun because you're able to play video games or watch TV, and the seats are also really comfortable.
Pretty quick one, but again, this car is just awesome for times like this. You're looking to kill time outside of the elements, protected from the elements, comfortable with some HVAC, and not have to be running a gasoline engine, running emissions the whole time to do it. And I'm actually pretty happy too, like the nominal amount of energy that it takes to be able to just sit here for a little while and run some web, run some internet stuff, keep the car at a comfortable temperature and so on. It's really not much at all. Exceptional value add for a vehicle like this. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Lots more longer form stuff coming.